Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add document grid in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your InDesign software. Now you want to open your document. Here we can see here 3 pages. Now you want to add the document grid. Go to the window menu and enable the properties. Here the properties option. Then we can see here the roller guide and document setup option. Now I click this document grid option and we can see we add the grid very easily. Now we can see we add the document grid very easily. You can remove this, click to this remove. Now we can see we add the document grid very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.